What would you do if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song. I will try not to sing out of key. Yeah. Oh, baby, how you like? All I need is my buddy. I say I'm gonna get high. Oh, yeah.
Westerns. They are films that were made here. They tend to be more violent and bloody in westerns. You have the hero and the moral of the story. In spaghetti westerns, there are actually three spaghetti westerns is what people don't.
Buddy?
Did you bring Buddy in here?
No, he was back to the porch.
Is it?
Baby, he's an addict.
Are you sure? Do a running jump. I think he's in the bedroom. Are you sure you didn't bring him in?
Oh, God. Kitty!
In the vents?
No, he's in there. Jesse, would you help me? Kitty. You need to open the stairs to me. Are you kidding me?
What?
Are you kidding me?
What?
When? Where? What diabolical brain do you have?
What? What's happening?
The iPad meowing? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, make it stop! It sounds just like Buddy. Oh my God.
Hey, who's the best prankster in the family? And nothing got broke because of my prank.
Who's temples, pressure points. I'm a pressure point.
Nothing got broke.
Oh my God. Wait, was that thing meowing the whole time?
Yeah.
I had such good news to share with you. You know what? There's a special place.
Buddy! Buddy!